In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rulers and guides on your canvas. If you've ever struggled to keep elements perfectly aligned, rulers and guides are your best friends. They give you clear visual references so your layout looks clean and consistent. Let's start by turning on the rulers. Open the View menu and choose Rulers. If you like shortcuts, press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. As soon as you do that, you'll see rulers appear along the top and the left edges of your canvas. These rulers act like measuring tapes for your workspace, helping you judge distances and place elements with precision. With the rulers visible, you can create guidelines directly on your canvas. A guide is simply a straight, non-printing line you pull out from a ruler to help you align things. To create one, move your cursor over a ruler, click, hold, and drag onto the canvas. You'll see a guideline follow your cursor. Release the mouse when the guide is where you want it. That's all there is to it. Drag from the top ruler when you want a horizontal guide. Horizontal guides are great for lining up headers, baselines of text, or keeping buttons aligned across a row. Because they run left to right, they help you keep visual rhythm across your layout, especially when you're stacking sections or maintaining consistent spacing from the top edge. Drag from the left ruler when you want a vertical guide. Vertical guides are perfect for setting margins, aligning columns, or making sure images and text blocks share the same left or right edge. They run from top to bottom, so they're particularly useful for grid systems and multi-column designs where consistent alignment is key. Remember, guides are purely visual helpers. They won't appear when you export or print your work. They're there to give you confidence that everything lines up. If you're working on a complex layout, consider placing a few horizontal and vertical guides to define your key boundaries, like safe areas, margins, or consistent spacing between elements. That way, every piece snaps into a harmonious structure as you design. To recap, turn on rulers from the View menu or use Ctrl+R on Windows and Command+R on Mac. Then click and drag from the top ruler to create horizontal guides, and click and drag from the left ruler to create vertical guides. With these simple tools in place, your canvas becomes a precise